shall revise the chapter 2 numbers. We shall see one by one. First one is 10 hundreds make 1000. First see the number 1000. How it makes 1000? 1000 here it is given 10 hundreds. So see the hundreds place. You know the place values ones, tens, hundreds, and this is thousands. So we have to see the hundreds place. See the hundreds place. What is given here? 0. So we have to take the before number also. What are the numbers given? 1. So the number is 10. So the 10 hundreds will make the 1000. Will make 1000. So as the same way, how many tens will make the 1000? See the tens place then. What is the number here given? 100. So before the tens place we have to take, before terms also we should take. So 100 is the number. So 100 tens will make 1000. So this is the first thing. And the next one is a comma. This is sign of comma is placed in a 4-digit number to separate the thousands period and the ones period. What is given? The 4 digits. What are the periods of thousands period and ones period? How the places are ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. You will place the comma in between hundreds and thousand. You already learned. If there is any number 1234, this is the number where we have to place the comma in between hundreds and thousands. The period is given, that is thousands period and ones period. Which one is ones period? These three things are the ones period. Ones, tens, and hundreds are the ones period, and this is the thousands period. 1 hour is a thousand period, and these three numbers, these three digits are a ones period. Okay, do you understood this? Yes. Where comma is placed in a 4-digit number to separate the thousands period and the ones period. You all come to know how this has separated. And the next one is 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. You all know, right? Smallest 4-digit number is 1000, and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Similarly, you know for 3 digit also, for 2 digits, and for a 1 digit also, you know the smallest number and the greatest number. Then the next one is each digit in a number has a place value and a face value. The place value of a digit depends on its place in a number, and the face value is the digit itself, irrespective of its place. What is given here? Each digit in a number has a place value and a face value. Each, see this number, each digit, 4 is a digit, 3 is a digit, and 2 is a digit, and 1 is a digit. Each digits have face value and a place value. Place value, how it depends upon the place value of a digit. The place value of digit, if you have taken means, depends on its place. Where the one is in the thousands place. So depends on the place only, it is said to be as a place value. Then the face value, and the face value is the digit itself, irrespective of its place. Irrespective of its place. Face value is the digit itself. What digit is given here? 4. Here 3. Here 2. And here 1. So if you ask, the face value of 1 means the same number, same digit will be itself the face value. 1 means 1 we have to write as a face value. And 2 means its face value is 2 only. If it is 3, for face value task means 3. For 4, it is a 4. So the digit itself the face value. Then we shall see the next one. The place value and the face value of 0 in a number is always 0. If this is a number 1200, this is a number. For example, I am taking. If they are asked 0's place value means just the same 0 is the place value. If asked for a face value, the same 0 is the face value. So the next one. Then comparing two 4-digit numbers which have the same digits in the thousands place, then compare the digits in the hundreds place, then compare the digits in the tens place, finally compare the digits in the ones place. If we ask to compare two 4-digit numbers, for example 2134, this is a 1 4-digit number, and the other one is 2135. These are the two 4-digit numbers. While we are asking to compare these two numbers, first we have to check the thousands place. Here also 2, here also 2. So we have to take the next place value, hundreds place value. Then we have to check the hundreds place. And if we have the same numbers, then we have to check the tens place of these two numbers. So here also 3, here also 3. The same number is there. So we have to check the ones place. So what is the number here? Here 4, here 5. Then we have to compare these two numbers, which one is smaller and greater. Like this way we have to compare the numbers at first in the thousands place, then in the hundreds place, and then in the tens place. At last we will compare ones place. Then the next one, we can form many 4-digit numbers using the same set of 4 digits. What is given? If there is a set 1254, this is a number, 4-digit number. This is one set of number. By using this, we can make many forms of 4-digit numbers. We can replace a number in the different places. So by this way, we can make many forms of 4-digit numbers. Then the first rule is to make different forms. Whether it is the smallest or the greatest, we are rearranging, right? So we have some certain rules. What is it? If one of the 4 digits is 0, one of the 4 digits is 0, here I did not give any 0. Take this example, 1206. This 4-digit number we have 0, right? If we have 0 in the number, it is not written at the extreme left. You know what is meant by an extreme left? Here 1 is the extreme left, and here 6 means this is the extreme right. So in the extreme left, we should not write 0 at the first. In the extreme left, we should not write 0. If one of the 4 digits is 0, it is not written at the extreme left. We should not write 0 at the extreme left. The next one is to form the smallest possible 4-digit number. When we are making the smallest possible 4-digit number, arrange the digits in ascending order. To make the smallest possible 4-digit number, we have to arrange it in ascending order from the smaller number to the larger number. In this, what is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. But in the extreme left, we should not write 0. So next to 0, which one is the smallest number? 1. So first we have to write the number 1. Then what is the smallest number? We have to write 0, right? 0 is the smallest number. In the thousands place, we can't write 0. So we have to write 0 in the hundreds place. Extreme left, we should not do 0. So the next two, which number is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one. Then we have to write 2. At last we will write 6. So this is the number which is the smallest possible number from how we will arrange in the ascending order. Smallest number means we will arrange it in ascending order. Then to form the greatest possible 4-digit number, arrange the digits in descending order. To form the greatest number, what we have to do? We have to do in descending order from the largest number to the smallest number. See this number, which one is the greatest one? 6. So first we have to write the number 6. Then which one is the greatest number? 2. Then write 2. Then 1. At last we will write 0 in the descending order. Then the next one is to round off a number to the nearest tens. Look at the digits in the ones place. If it is less than 5, write 0 in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more, add 1 to the digit in the tens place and write 0 in the ones place. In the last class, we have seen this, how to round off the numbers nearest to tens. What is the first thing? We have to check the ones place. If we have less than 5 means we should write 0 in the ones place. We shall see one example for this. For example, I am taking the number 123. We shall take this number. So where we have to check the number in the ones place. In the ones place, we have to check what is the number here? 3. So which is less than 5. Less than 5 means what are the numbers will be coming there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these numbers, this number here 3 is less than 5. So you will write the number
0 in the ones place.
So for how will you round off the number? 120 is the rounding of number 2 bits. The next one, if digit in the ones place is 5 or more, add 1 to the digit in the tens place and write 0 in the ones place. We shall see one example for this. If the number is 67, number is 67, what is given? Well, we have to check the ones place. If the number here is 5 or more, we have to add 1 in the digits in the tens place. It is more than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the digit in the tens place. This is the tens place, right? This is the tens place. We have to add 1 in this place and we have to write 0 in the ones place. How it will be? The rounding of number will be 6 plus 1 is 7. So here we will write 0. This is the rounding of number. So we shall see some problems. So now we have recalled, right? So we have some problems. So we can do those. First one is find the place value and the face value of 5 in the following numbers. There are some few sums. We have to write find the place value and the face value. Where is the 5? Which number? 5. So first one is 5789. What as 5 is asked. For 5 you have to find the place value and the face value. First write the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 5 is in the place of thousands. So how will you write the place value? As 5000. Or what will you write? In words you can write 5000. In the words also you can write like this. 5000. Like this way also you can write the place value. In the face value, what is the face value of 5? The digit itself the answer for the face value. 5 means the face value is also 5, the same number. So the next one, 1265. Here we have to find face value and face value for the number 5. Here where is 5 in the ones place? The ones place 5 is present. So what will be the place value? It is a unit place, so it is 5. Then the face value, the number itself. So the face value is also 5. Then you are going to find these two sums, the face value and the place value for 5. What is the number here? 3756. First write the place values and find what is the place value and the face value for this number and this number 9541. Then the next sum is write the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers using the digits 4, 0, 8 and 6. What it asks the smallest and the greatest 4-digit numbers when you see these 4 numbers. What are the numbers? 4, 0, 8 and 6. To find the smallest, what you will do? You will do in the ascending order from the smallest to the largest number. Here which number is the smallest one? 0 is the smallest one. But we should not write 0 in the extreme inverse. But first we should not write 0. So next to 0, which one is the smallest number? 4. So first we have to write for the smallest 4-digit number. First number is 4. Then we have to write 0. Next to 4, which one is the smallest number? Here 6 is the smallest number. So write 6 here. Then what is given? 8 is the last number. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. In between hundreds and thousands you will place the commas. Then the greatest 4-digit number. Here which one is greatest? Here number which is greatest? 4, 0 or 8 or 6. 8 is the greatest one. So write 8 at first. Greatest means it will be in descending order, right? So the next to 8 is which one is greater? 6 is the greatest one. So next to 8 you will write 6. Then after that 4 is the greatest one. At last you will write 0. Where you will place the commas in between hundreds and thousands. This is the greatest 4-digit number by using these 4 numbers we have framed. Then the next one is write the number that is 10 more than the largest 3-digit number. What is given here? 10 more than. More than means what we have to do? We have already learned. That is more than means we have to add. We have to add the numbers. What is given? Which number we have to add? 10 plus the largest 3-digit number. You know what is the largest 3-digit number? What is the largest 3-digit number? It is 999. So we have to add 10 to that largest number. What is the number? 10 plus 999. We are adding 10. 1 in the tens place. What will you get? Just if you need, add and see. 999 plus 10. You will get 9. 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 will be here. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1009. This is the answer. Add 1 to this tens place. So you can get 1009 as the answer. The next one is 10 less than the largest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. In that you have to subtract. Less than means we have to subtract the number. More than means you have to add the number. So subtract the number to the largest number. What is the largest number? Is 9999 minus 10. So while we are subtracting, what will you get? You find out the answer and write. Then the next one you are going to do. I just explain to you. 100 more than 3089. 100 more here it is given more than. So we have to add the number 100 plus 3089. We have to add these two numbers. What you will do? In the hundreds place you just add 1. Here what will you get the answer? 3189 as the answer. Okay. The next one is 100 less than 7000. Less than means minus to subtract the number. So 100 is subtracted to the number 7000. Just subtract the number from the 100 from this number. Okay. Then the next sum is in the circle given below. The outer ring has the numbers in the expanded or words form. In the circle, in the outer circle, it will be in either in words or in the expanded form. Write the standard form of each number in the inner circle. In this inner circle, you are going to write the standard form. What is in the standard form? Giving commas in between hundreds and thousands. Then color the inner ring according to the given color codes. What I said? Then color the inner ring. Inner ring is this inner ring. You are going to color by these codes, color codes. Also arrange the numbers in ascending order. After doing all this, you have to arrange the numbers. What you have written in the inner circle. First we shall write the numbers. Okay. First we shall see this. What it is given in expanded form. What we have to write in the standard form. What are the numbers here given? 2000. Then plus 500 plus 60 plus 9. So first we have to write thousands. This 100 place. This is the tens place and this is ones place. So what is the number? 2569. Write the number 2569. If you have difficulty, write the place values and write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In the ones place, what is given here? 9. Then in the tens place 6. Then in the hundreds place 5. And in thousands place is 2. Then you have to give commas in between these two numbers, which is in the hundreds place and in the thousands place. So this is the standard form. You have to write only in the standard form in the inner circle. Then the next one is 3444. What is given? 3444. More to read. Then write as it is what is given. In the thousands place 3, the hundreds place 4, and the ones and tens place, in one tens place it is given 4, 40, and in the ones place it is 4. So write the number 3000. What is given in the hundreds place? 4, and in the tens place 44. So 3444 is the standard form. You should write in this inner circle. Then see to this. What is given? 4000, which is in thousands place. Then hundreds place given, tens place and the ones place. First type the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. What is in the ones place? 1. In the tens place 3. In the hundreds place 8. Then in the thousands place is 4. Then where you should give the commas in between hundreds and thousands. So write the answer as 4831 as the answer. Here it is given in expanded form. We are going to write in standard form. 1000 is the thousands place and this is in hundreds place and this is tens and ones place. So write the place values 1, tens, hundreds and thousand. One place it is given 8 and in the tens place 9. In the hundreds place is 8 and in and this one. We want to write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Write 6 in the ones place, then 9 in the tens place, and 9 in the hundreds place. In the thousands place, the number 1 is there. So give commas between hundreds and thousand. Write the answer using a circle 1996. Then it is given in words 5237. So 5000 in the thousands place you are having tens, hundreds, thousand. Thousands place it is 5. In the hundreds place the number is 2. In the tens place 30, that is 3 in the tens place. 7 in the ones place. So now give the commas between hundreds and thousands. So now you write the answer as 5237 as the answer. The next one is given thousands place, hundreds place, tens and the ones place. So now we write the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. In the thousands place it is given 7, in hundreds place 7, and in the tens place also 7, and the ones place it is given 9. Place the commas between hundreds and thousands. So 7,779. This is the answer. Likewise, you have to fill these two. 8,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 9. You know the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Write the numbers 9, 6, 2 and 8. Give commas between hundreds and thousand. Write the answer as 8,269. Then 9,699 given in words. Have to write in the standard form. So 9 in the thousands place. Write the place values first. Then write 9 in the thousands place. 6 in the hundreds and 9 in the tens place. And 7 in the ones place. Write the number 9,697. Now what you have to do? Give the colors accordingly what is given. 7,799. What are the colors given? Red, orange, yellow, brown, pink, white, purple, blue and green. Just color the inner circle according to the numbers. If it is 1,000 to 2,000, the number you have found right. Here the numbers are you have found out. If the numbers in between 1,000 to 2,000